Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alma Yandia. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Guys, in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys what's in my everyday makeup kit or my go-to makeup kit. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung dinadala ko every single time na aalis ako. Since ipapakita ko na din naman sa inyo kung ano yung mga products na dinadala ko, might as well share to you guys my everyday makeup routine. If I'm not mistaken, 8 months ago pa yung last na upload ka ng makeup routine ko and maraming nagbago. And most of the products na ipapakita ko this time are from drugstore. So, madali lang siya makita and very affordable. So, if you wanna know how I do my makeup and what are the products that I bring with me in a daily basis, please keep on watching. So, this is my makeup kit. Sobrang bulky niya guys. As in, nakalabas na yung mga brush ko kasi hindi pa ako nakakabili or nakakahanap ng bagong makeup kit. Very simple. Pink leather lang siya. Tapos may accent ng reddish pink dito. But, yan. So, when you open it up, ayan, sobrang puno. Oops! Oh my. Wala ko din to guys. Like, nilalagay ko lang sa bag ko etong Lux Organics Hydro Firming Mist. Favorite ko to, as in super favorite ko to. I got this like 3 weeks ago. Tapos, see, half na lang siya because I use it every single day. But anyway, ito na guys. Let's start dito sa loob. I have here my super dugyot brow gel from Nichido. I use this every single day. Super favorite. And then I have this Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefits. Actually, ubos na to. Sinisimot ko na lang siya kasi naubusan na din ako nitong super favorite kong Curline Best Brow Liner. Yan, ito, if you have watched my previous video, ang dami nagtatanong sa inyo kung saan ko binili to. Sa Watsons lang po. Sa Watsons lang ko to binili. Meron din siya sa SM Department Store or sometimes meron sa mga SM Hypermarket. So, yun. I'm in the shade taupe. Next is, I have my disposable makeup sponge. I do not use beauty blenders anymore kasi nahirapan ako maglinis. Like, ang hirap niyang tanggalin, ng mga stains, ang hirap niyang banlawan, and I'm not sure kung ginagawa ko ba yun ng maayos, and then baka magkaroon lang lalo ng bacteria build up sa loob ng sponge. So, what I use is, eto na lang. Ito yung mga nabibili sa mga Watsons, sa mga department store na naka-plastic lang. Tapos kapag madumi siya, itatapon mo na lang. So, yun guys. And then next, I have this super cute Curl Lash that I got from Miniso. Super cute nito guys. Akala ko nung una hindi to effective kasi hello, ang cute, ang liit niya lang, tas it's plastic, pwede mong i-shoot somewhere. Pero surprisingly, it does work. Maayos siyang gamitin. Hindi siya nakakaputol ng mga lashes, unlike yung mga metal. So, I super love this one. Next is, I have this medicated lipstick. Lip balm lang siya guys, na walang flavor. Like minty lang siya. Next thing that I have here is this waterproof eyeliner pen in the shade brown from Sansan. Hindi ko to ginagamit, pero hindi ko alam kung bakit nandito siya sa makeup kit ko. Pero yeah, baka lang feel ko mag-eyeliner. Kasi hindi ako ma-eyeliner, hindi ako magaling mag-wing eyeliner, hindi ako magaling mag-eyeliner at all. Kahit anong eyeliner style pa yan, hindi ako magaling, kaya hindi ko alam kung ba't nandito to. Baby powder from Shiseido. Super favorite ko to guys. And then, next thing that I have here is this Curline Rose Stick. Yan. Sa Mercury Drugstore ko to nabili for $1.99 ata to. Yeah. Pero sobrang tipid nito guys. See, parang ilang months ko na ba to nabili? June ko to nabili, and as you can see, nasa ano pa rin siya, yung hindi ko pa siya inaangat, super tipid and very pigmented. Next thing that I have is this Nichido Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Espresso. Ito siya guys. Next is this Sunny's Face Lip Dip Lip Cream in the shade Posh. Super favorite. This is my go-to lip cream. Like, every single day, ito yung ginagamit ko. So, yan. Then, I have my Tarte's Pro Glow to go. If you've been following me for a long time now or lagi ka nanonood ng video ko, I'm pretty sure sawang-sawa ka na dito kasi every single time ito din yung binabanggit ko kasi favorite ko siya. And as you can see guys, nag-hit pan na ako dito sa highlighter na to. Super favorite. Konti na lang. Next is this mascara. Super cute, very maliit lang. This is from Yves Rocher. Next is this BB cream, Crayons BB cream in the shade Fair Lady. And I got mine from HBC. Yan yung ginagamit ko, BB cream right now. And then, kalat. And then, I have here also this Herb Blush Cheek Tint from Sunny's Face in the shade Biscuit. Super love ko to. Tingnan nyo, nag-hit pa na ulit ako. See, nag-hit pa na ako. Super love. That's what I use for everyday. And then, last thing that I have here is this Kiss and Bloom Water Lip and Cheek Tint from Happy Skin in the shade Cream. Minsan kapag alam kong magiging busy ako, like gagawa ako sa clinics, ito yung ginagamit ko kasi hindi siya natatanggal talaga. Unlike this one, kasi ito nagta-transfer eh. So, ang tendency, pag naglagay ako ng face mask or anything like that, magta-transfer to and madugyot siya. So, eto minsan yung ginagamit ko kapag mag-clinic ako. So, I'm gonna start with the cream base. I'm going to use this Hydra Firming Mist from Lux Organics. Binili ko to sa Watsons for 215 or 210. I just sprayed it all over my face. For my BB cream, I will be using this Crayons BB cream in the shade Fair Lady. Kinuha ko to, or binili ko, kinuha ni sis. Binili ko to sa my HBC. Spread it all over my face. I do not use foundation for everyday basis kasi ang lagkit niya sa face, unlike tong BB cream, parang wala ka lang suot, super light lang ng feeling. Guys, one layer lang yung ginagawa ko usually, unless na lang pag sobrang bad skin day ako, that's the time na magsa-second layer. After that, I will just set it using my Shiseido baby powder. I'm just gonna dust this all over my face. Next is for my brows. Anyway, sorry, medyo magay mata ko. Kakagising ko lang kasi from a good nap. Suspended pala today, kaya nakapag-video ako. But anyway, for my brows, as you can see, sobrang dugyot. Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. This is the Nichido Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Espresso. Hindi ko to ganun kagusto kasi nahihirapan akong i-manipulate siya. Sometimes I tend to overdone my brows. Kaya hindi ko to masyadong ginagamit. Pero it's okay. Pagtiisan na lang natin dahan-dahan. Ito yung ginagamit ko lately kasi nga naubusan na ako. Very natural looking lang. Then, after that, I'm gonna take my clear brow gel from Nichido also. Ito yung talagang legit na favorite ko, guys. Ito yung favorite ko. Ginagamit ko to everyday. As you can see, ubos na siya. Beses ko na to ni-repurchase. And for sure, bibili ulit ako nito. But, ilalagay ko lang dito para hindi siya gulo-gulo. Oh, that's it for my kilay. I know it's not the best, pero ganyan lang talaga ako magkilay for everyday and hindi ako magaling magkilay. So, stroke lang, ganyan lang. Just okay na. Next is for my eyeshadow. Yes, I do put eyeshadow everyday. Wala lang, nakasanayan ko lang siya, guys. So, for my eyeshadow, pero isang color lang naman yung nilalagay ko. Or sometimes kung ano yung kung ano yung gagamitin ko sa lips ko. Yun din yung gagamitin ko as an eyeshadow. But, ito yung gamit ko for everyday. Tarte 30 Pro Glow to Glow. So, kung matagal na kayong nanonood sa akin, I'm pretty sure sawang-sawa na kayo dito. But, ito lang yung ginagamit ko, guys. Yung brown shade dito. And I'm just going to put this all over my lid. So, magpo-focus lang ako dito sa outer corners. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Tapos, pag di pa ako kontento, mag-a-add ulit ako ng layer. And then, using the same product, i-contour ko lang yung nose ko. Next is, I will be curling my lashes. Curl ko lang yung lashes ko. Super cute na tong curler ko. I got this from Miniso. Alam ko guys, nung una hindi to mag-work kasi joke time lang, ganun. Pero working pala. I'm going to coat my lashes using this super cute Volume Extreme Sexy Pop from Yves Rocher. Sobrang cute niya. Liit lang. I'm not going to put mascara on my lower lids kasi dito laging nagsusmudge yung mascara ko kasi I tend to do this every single time. Kaya hindi na ako naglalagay. For my lower lashes, ito yung ginagamit ko. Yung clear lang para lang magkaroon siya ng kahit pa paano volume. Next is, ito yung legit na essential for me every single day. Kailangan meron akong blush on. Is the Rose Stick from Careline. Yun na ata yung shade niya, Rose Stick. As in, Rose Stick. Kasi iba-iba to guys eh. Parang merong highlighter, may pang contour, and may isa pang other shade na to. Ako mahilig sa mga blush on na sobrang sobrang bright. Ayoko ng mga bright na blush on. Ayoko ng bright pink, bright red. So, what I do is, I'm going to mix it with this Sunny's Face Air Blush in the shade Biscuit. So, ito siya, guys. Medyo may pagka-brownish na ito ng konti. Kukuha din ako dito sa konti. Tapos, tsaka ko i-blend. See, ayan o, sobrang bright pink. Hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan. And sometimes kasi, pag ito lang yung gamit kong blush on, mahirap siyang i-blend. Parang nagmamark sa cheeks ko. So, what I do is, mix na lang. Diba, nakaka-fresh yung color niya. Sana hindi siya ganun ka-bright para magamit ko siya alone. Pero, yun. Okay na din. I'm gonna do the same thing sa other side. Second to the last step is I'm going to put highlighter just to brighten my face a little bit. Pag sobrang haggard mo, bes, ito ang sagot. Just going to moisturize my lips using a balm. Tapos, itong gagamitin ko is from Sunny's Face also. This is their lip dip in the shade Posh. This is my everyday / go-to lip cream lately. Like, simula nung nabili ko to, ito na yung ginagamit ko everyday. Kasi hindi siya drying. Yun nga lang, you have to reapply and reapply kasi hindi siya ganun ka lang lasting. it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Kailan kaya yung next one na yun? But I try my best to be consistent. I will try my best to be consistent. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone. Bye-bye.